Hey guys, welcome on my YouTube channel Everything Technical. This is Deepak. So now I'm going to show you how we can restore our database through the snapshot, how we can share our snapshot with other AWS account, and there we can restore the database through the snapshot. And yeah, and there is one more option that's called replica, so database replica. So we will see and we will get the information what it is exactly, how we can do all these things. So before I started, I want you to please do subscribe my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel Everything Technical, so please do subscribe, and also please press the bell icon to get the new video notification. And if you have any query, any suggestion related the video, if you are stuck somewhere in that particular RDS information, if you want the information, please do comment below the video. Definitely I'll try to help you out. So let's start with the video. So right now I'm in AWS RDS dashboard. So here where I have to go, so in DB instance, I'm in DB instance right now. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to delete this database. Let me check first snapshot gets created or not. So here you can see I have created this snapshot right now. So I'll go to the databases. So inside the databases I have this database, and I'll go ahead and I'll delete this database first. Sorry, so let me do one more thing first. I'll go with the replica, create a read replica, what it is. So I'll not create a replica of this, I'll not show you, but definitely I'll give the information what exactly and how it's work. So create replica, create read replica, what it is. It's kind of the database. This is a master database. In this database is going to be write, going to be read, and many more things: update, read, write, delete, and all these alter, everything is going to be run on this server. So this database. So basically if you want to reduce some of the information, like that select query is going to be run somewhere from somewhere else, that time like that load should not become on this database, like where the data is going to be write. So that could be only write for only write, for only update, all these information for insert. So these information is these tasks going to be perform under the main database, that is Deepak. This is for example only, this is the database which is a master database. In this all the performance, like all the tasks going to be performed. But if you'll create a replica of this database, if you'll create a read replica, so in that time you can give the information, you can pass the information in your wherever you want to. Even you can take the access through the application, and there you can run the query for the select queries. So that load could be distributed. So that load, if select query is taking time, and other thing is also going on in master database in only single database, so that can be a little bit problem with your database. If you'll create a read replica, so in that time that replica will use for a read, perform the select queries and all these things from that database. So but all these replicas, like if I'll insert the data, that data will reflect into the replica database as well. So this is what, like this is the information, like one in one database everything is going to be right, and second database, that is replica, there you will get the all information about that data. So this is the what that this is the what the option is called read replica. So this is the replica, and before that we were created the snapshot. So now this time to restore the database through the snapshot. So I'll go ahead first, I'll go ahead to delete this. I'll just delete this. Okay, delete me. Okay, so I have just deleted this database. Why I'm deleting this database? Because I'll just create a database using this snapshot. So this is going to be delete. Here it is deleting, it will take time, little bit time to delete this database. But now I'll just take this I'll create a database using this snapshot. Before that also I'll just do one thing, I'll just go ahead and I'll inform how we can share this snap to other account, and through this snapshot you can create a database in other AWS account. So what do you have to do? if you have a snapshot, for example this is the snapshot, finally you want to share with the other AWS account, and in that AWS account you want to restore this database, same database, everything you want to store. So what do you have to do? Just select this snapshot and go to the action center. So in action option you will get the option, there is option for restore as well as, and there is a share option of this snapshot. So what I have to do, go to the share option, and after clicking on share you will get the option for DB snapshot visibility, which is going to be visible on publicly or private. So if there is confidential, so just make it private and put the other AWS account name. So how you will get the account name of that other account name, go to the account number, sorry, my account. Inside the my account, on the top only you will get the my account number. So just copy that my account and put it here, and go ahead and add this. After adding, just go ahead and save this. After saving, if it is a private, log into that account and go to the snapshot option. So you will get that particular snap. How you have to restore, just we are going back and we'll see how we can restore. So if we want to restore through the snapshot, we want to restore the database through the snapshot. So just select the snapshot, open that snapshot, go to the action and just restore snap. So here restore snap, everything you will get the same, just you have to select these options from there. I'll go ahead with the free tier. Now here you will get the option for multi-Azure deployment. I'll do this, yes. The storage the same, everything will be same. Now here you have to put some of the information. Identifier name, I'll just give the name as a Deepak only. Identifier name, I'll go ahead. VPC you can select the same, everything you can perform it. Public accessibility, make sure yes. In my in previous video you can see what exactly, in my RDS first video you can see what it is exactly. I have just explained public accessibility, about public accessibility. So you can use that. Availability zone, that's come the same default availability zone what was the passed into the snapshot, so that you will get the same availability zone. Port default MySQL, you can choose it. Parameters and everything you can choose it from here. I am authentication, that is disable, you can enable it through here. It was not available while we were creating no, that was but we didn't do that, we just put it password authentication. So here all these information you can do that, backup, copy the snapshot, all these information. After doing this, you can just go ahead and restore DB instance. After clicking on here, you will be able to restore the database. Now I have just do that, I just did. Okay, already exist. I'll have to change the name because it is saying like it is already exist, so I'll use identifier as a 1. So I'll again go ahead with this because it shows us as a error. So before that it was not yet completely, like it is still deleting, and now you can see there is problem because we are creating, if it was deleted Deepak, so now we are previously we were putting the name as a Deepak, so that time also get created if that database get completely deleted then, but it was not get completely deleted, it is still deleting. So using this you can see we have created the database using this snapshot. We have seen how we can share our snapshot with other account. We have seen what the option is for the replica, read replica, what it is, read replica. So these are the options you have seen in this video. Hope you like this video. Please like the video, please do comment below the video if you have any query, any suggestion related the video, and also please share with your friends and families whoever required this kind of information. So please do that with your friends, do share with your friends and families. And also please subscribe my YouTube channel. This is the channel Everything Technical. Please subscribe. So this is the video. Thank you for watching my video.